everyone! It's a beautiful snowy day at the farm.
Let's draw a cute snowman together.
Wow! Look at the magic light! Hello, Snowman! You look so real! Wait here, Snowman. We'll get some decorations for you.
Vroom, vroom.
Oh no! My snowman! He's gone!
Don't cry, Superboy! Superboy! Look at those tracks! Monkey Bandit did this! We have to stop him!
Vroom, vroom.
Stop right there, Monkey Bandit! Why did you break my snowman?
Ick, ick.
Bad behavior needs a reflection. Write your apology, Monkey Bandit.
Let's fix the farm together.
Sigh. Magic brush. Bring back the joy. Yes, yes! Yes, yes! Thank you, Paint Girl. He is beautiful.
Winter is fun when we help each other. Always be kind to your friends.
Did you like our snowy adventure?
Click like and subscribe to Busy Vehicles Kids for more magic.
Bye-bye!